should count how many cars How's it going, YouTube? I decided to do a little rail fanning in Camarillo. Our first train of the day is train 777. Now stopping here on its way to Oxnard with 2121. Santa Barbara, Goleta, and Surf City. On Lompoc. Okay. Should be some Metrolink action later. Metrolink 117 now arriving at Camarillo. On its way to Oxnard and then East Ventura. Now, what F-125 is leading? Yay! Hornshow! 909 leading. Train 117 now leaving for Oxnard and East Ventura. Who's driving this thing? Great train now leaving for East Ventura. Better than the engineer on 777. He didn't do any more, so. Anyways, I think that'll be all for today. I hope to go back to Fullerton sometime soon. So, goodbye. And see you later. How's it going, YouTube? We decided to do a little Planespotting from a new location, the Wayside Cafe or the Waypoint Cafe in Camarillo, the Cessna landing. Here's a second Cessna landing. Cessna and a single engine Cessna now taxiing out, as well as a single occupant plane right here. Yeah, that one is the single occupant one. Yeah. Hey, look, the World War II plane is starting up. Right behind you. Man, it's smoking. And over there, we got the Twin engine now taking off. Let me get the World War II plane, because that's the highlight of the trip. Photos. Cessna landing. Yeah, I think you can get a ride on the World War II plane. You have to pay a lot, though. The Navy airplane. Not Air Force, Navy. There's a single-seater. What? I said there's a single-seater. Where'd the other plane go? He's behind all these men. Here comes a single-engine Cessna now landing at Camarillo. That looks like a new version of it. Alright. This Cessna's taking off. Okay.
That's spicy. Spicy, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so glad I discovered this place.
Yeah. How'd you find out about it?
On the internet, on Wikipedia. I was reading about Camarillo Airport because I was looking for a better place to plane spot in Camarillo
This is better.
than the place we were at.
I could even get a beer here sometime, but not today.
Not today, yeah. Okay, isn't there a Cessna landing? Pretty much the most common type of aircraft in Camarillo is the Cessna. Okay, here comes our first jet for the day. This private jet.
That one.
It's a big plane. Probably the largest you'll see in Camarillo. Other than the antique planes.
Is that a charter jet or something? Or
It's a private jet. It's a private jet.
big one?
See.
Yeah, look at it. Well, between the two, they were
Yes, average Cessna. Classic Cessna design.
Another nice thing here, she got parking.
Okay, we got another plane about to land. Yeah, it's a jet. Private jet. Where is it?
I think at the end of the day, what's going to end up happening
Showing up on my
is,
view screen.
you don't pay a salary. close it all out.
Sure.
That's a good one.
And the team's gonna have to take it.
There it is.
Unless somebody has something more than
It might be a turboprop. Because it's a prop plane, but it sounds more like a jet. Yeah, that's a turboprop.
take a hit to the reputation. And so it looks all kinds of bad. So it's possible. Yes.
If Tiger Woods and Kobe Bryant can do it, I'm sure any of them can.
There.
Or even Ben Roethlisberger.
Yeah.
Supposed to be gliding in. He doesn't.
Like he was out.
What?
Met somebody.
His engine's not making any noise. He must be gliding. Oh, there he is.
Made him out. Would have called out to kind of make it go away to save his reputation. Yeah. But Tiger Woods, what more wild because it was like that.
I got a really good shot of it.
When you think of the guy, it's like, this is who was doing this? I was kind of like, this guy did?
Here's another Cessna.
Yeah, and now, right, and now with them being broken and shattered waves, like, you know, come back So if he has anything left, he's going to be one more, and that's it. And somebody needs it, but it's like,